Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can service your engine's air filter without having to pay anything for it. I'm not going to show you how to remove your engine's air filter. That's because each car is different, and the best way to find out what kind of filter you've got and how to remove it is to look up the information online by searching the model number of your car and searching how to remove the engine's air filter. When the filter is removed, inspect the filter and you'll see how dirty the whole thing is. That's because engine air filters get dirty really quick, and if you don't service them regularly, it's actually bad for your engine. Not only that, it will also cost you more in fuel in the long run. Many mechanics or even car part dealers would tell you that these filters are not washable, but this information is not true. They just want to sell you filters so they can make more money. Most of these filters are made from materials that are actually water resistant. That means you can get them soaking wet and nothing will happen to them. Best way to wash these air filters is to use a high pressure water blaster. Some countries they call them pressure washers. The way I do it, I first rinse it with a high pressure soap. This will clear out all the grime, dust and dirt that accumulated into the filter. And then, once that's been cleared out, I start rinsing it with a high pressure water. Best method is to keep the nozzle at least 1 foot away from the filter, otherwise you could risk damaging it and even poking holes into the filter. If you don't have a water blaster, that's okay. You can simply fill up a bucket with water, put some laundry detergent in it, and using a soft brush, you can slowly scrub away all the dirt, and it will work exactly the same. But if you are using a water blaster, make sure you turn the filter both sides, don't just clean one side only. That way you know it's 100% clean. And once you have finished cleaning it, rinse the excess water from it by shaking it, inspect the filter, make sure there's no dirt left in it, and then set it up in the sun to dry. Once the filter has dried, inspect it carefully. Make sure there are no rips, damages or anything that happened to the membrane. Once you are satisfied it's all in good condition, you can go ahead and install it back in your car. And here you can see the difference of before and after. In fact, this same filter has been washed 3 times already. So that means in the long run, they can save you hundreds of dollars. Simply by washing them, putting them back in the car, you can use them over and over again. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you already wash your own filters, please leave it in the comment below and let me know if you do that.